ocean as my guide. Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo! West Coast weather, the sun sets slow.
Say what?
Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bumping beneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor. Some so smooth, leave them shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. With that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. Ayo, West Coast, where the sun sets gold. Cruising past the waves, feel that rhythm unfold. Beachfronts to backyard, parties in sight. Under neon skies that light up the night.
Yo, hit the boulevard, hit a tire screech. Soundtrack of the streets, with that funkin' reach. Got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like a 79, we're built to outlast.
Hey yo, West Coast, let's groove till we drop. Souls keep singing, let the bass lop. Be the cues to moonlit tides, we shine bright on this retro ride that defines our life. Ooh yeah. Hit that bass line nice and slow. Ooh, yeah. Talk box singing, let the rhythm flow. Palm trees swaying, do you feel that breeze? Rolling down the boulevard, feeling at ease. Cruising, moving on that West Coast ride. Say barbecue flames and the ocean tide. Catch the vibe, keep it alive. So real, so true. This laid back life's just what we do. Chilling at the cookout, grab a plate. Got ribs, got wings, I just can't wait. Talk smack with the homies, laugh till we cry. And the beat still bumps as the sun says goodbye. Now throw your hands up if you feel this breeze. Come on. West Coast vibing got you weak in the knees. Low riders bouncing with the funk turn high.